Welcome back to yet another episode of Vishal's Ad Astra, and in today's episode, we will talk about what makes a story great and the power of data-driven narratives for brands and how it can significantly enhance their storytelling. Now, what do Spotify, Netflix, Nike, and Airbnb have in common? They all harness the compelling power of stories, data-driven stories. But how exactly do they do it? And why are these narratives resonating with audiences worldwide? Today, we'll uncover the secret behind the storytelling success of some of these biggest brands. Now, what is data-driven storytelling all about? Data-driven storytelling is where narratives meet numbers. By weaving facts and consumer insights into captivating tales, brands can tailor their message to strike a chord with their audience. It's not merely about displaying data, it's about transforming it into an experience, a story that will be remembered and retold. Spotify's year-end Wrapped on Netflix's personalized recommendations aren't just clever marketing strategies. They are data-driven narratives that make each of us feel uniquely connected to their services. But why are these data-inspired stories so potent? What's the importance of data-driven storytelling in a world overloaded with information? A great story always stands out. It's not just that stories are memorable, they're also more persuasive. And when those stories are backed by solid data, you've hit the sweet spot of emotional engagement grounded in credibility. And here's how some familiar brands have got it right. Now, let's talk about Spotify. Now, their end of year roundups tell you more than what you listen to. They reflect your musical journey, making each customer experience seem one of a kind. Spotify Wrapped is a highly successful marketing initiative launched annually by Spotify since 2016. Each December, this campaign provides Spotify users with a personalized summary of their listening habits over the past year, encouraging them to share this information on social media. The summary often highlights a user's top 5 artists, most played songs, and favorite music genres. Content creators on Spotify also receive a custom wrapped report showcasing the streaming counts for their content within the year. Additionally, Spotify Wrapped offers insights into global platform trends beyond individual listening patterns. It's important to note that the data reflects user activity from January 1st until an unspecified cutoff date in the last 2 months of the year. Spotify Wrapped's popularity on social media has significantly contributed to promoting Spotify, with its annual release often marked by extensive advertising campaigns, consistently improving the app's ranking in app stores. The campaign is renowned for its ability to detail users' musical tastes, including a unique listening personality derived from one's genre variety, listening durations, and preferred listening times. The key highlights of Spotify Wrapped include, to start with, creating a listening personality. A unique profile is created from your listening patterns, offering insight into when and what you listen to. The other attribute is your artist revealed. It displays your top 5 artists and provides detailed listening statistics, including total listening time and preferred tracks. It also lists your top songs and genres. It identifies your 5 favorite songs and genres of the year with comprehensive stats on listening time and leading artists in each genre. And then the artist message. It enhances the Wrapped experience with personalized messages from popular artists, including exclusive video greetings from stars like Taylor Swift and Jungkook. It also features interactive components like Blend, allowing friends to compare musical tastes, and insights from Spotify's AI DJ. Through Spotify Wrapped, the platform weaves a compelling narrative around its users' musical journeys, maintaining its appeal and relevance to its audience year after year. Netflix, on the other hand, takes what they know about your viewing habits to not only recommend your next binge watch, but also to create targeted marketing that feels almost personal, enhancing the appeal of their content to their users. Let's talk about Nike. Now, Nike tapped into the aspirations and struggles of everyday athletes, fostering an emotional connection that goes beyond just selling shoes. It's about selling a story of perseverance and personal triumph. Now, Nike's Find Your Greatness campaign is a prime example of how the company harnesses the power of data to drive its storytelling and marketing strategies. This campaign, which seeks to inspire athletes around the world by celebrating achievements of all scales, showcases Nike's adept use of data analytics and digital marketing techniques to engage its audience. Now, here are some ways Nike has used the power of data to amplify the impact of this campaign. First up, through audience insights and segmentation. Now, Nike uses data analytics to gain deep insights into its target audience's preferences, behaviors, and demographics. By analyzing data from various sources, including social media interactions, website traffic, and purchase history, Nike can segment its audience and tailor the campaign messages to resonate with different groups. Next up is personalized marketing. Now, data allows Nike to personalize its marketing efforts. Through the Find Your Greatness campaign, Nike leverages customer data to deliver personalized messages and recommendations. This could include customized training tips, product recommendations, or inspirational content, making the campaign more relevant and engaging to each and every individual that they reach out to. Next up is social media analytics. Nike extensively uses social media analytics to understand how its campaign is being received. By monitoring hashtags, shares, likes, and comments related to the Find Your Greatness campaign, Nike can gauge public sentiment, identify influencers, and adjust its strategy in real time to increase engagement and reach. Lastly, content optimization. Now, data analytics enable Nike to optimize its content strategy across different platforms. By analyzing which types of content, whether it's videos, articles, or images, perform best on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or YouTube, Nike can craft its storytelling to fit the median and audience preferences, making the campaign more impactful. Through these strategies, Nike effectively uses data to enhance its storytelling, making the Find Your Greatness campaign not just a marketing initiative, but a personalized, engaging experience for its audience. Now, this data-driven approach has helped Nike to strengthen its brand connection with customers and maintain its position as a leader in the global sportswear market. Another brand that I would love to talk about is Airbnb. Now, Airbnb took travel data to tell stories of living like a local, shifting the narrative from being a tourist to experiencing destinations authentically, aligning perfectly with the needs of modern travelers searching for genuine experiences. Now, Airbnb's Live There campaign, launched in 2016, was a significant move away from traditional tourist experiences towards more authentic local living experiences. This campaign aimed to inspire travelers to live like locals in the communities they visited rather than just staying as tourists. Airbnb leveraged the power of data analytics and storytelling to make this campaign impactful and engaging. They did it by understanding customer preferences through data. Now, Airbnb has access to a vast amount of data on traveler preferences, booking patterns, and popular destinations. By analyzing this data, Airbnb could identify trends, indicating a growing interest in unique local experiences over generic tourist-centric activities. This insight was crucial in shaping the Live There campaign's narrative, emphasizing authentic local living. The other key feature is personalized recommendation. Using the data on past bookings and searches, Airbnb could personalize its marketing efforts to target users with recommendations that match their interests. For instance, if a user had previously booked stays in neighborhoods known for their local culture, Airbnb would highlight similar destinations in their Live There campaign communications. This personalization made the storytelling more relevant and engaging to individual users. The third critical feature of the campaign was content creation based on real experiences. Airbnb encouraged hosts and guests to share their stories and experiences, which provided a wealth of authentic content that Airbnb could use to promote the Live There campaign. Now, these real stories, powered by data on what experiences were most valued by guests, help craft a compelling narrative about the beauty of living like a local. The next aspect is social media engagement. Data analytics also played a role in optimizing Airbnb's social media strategy. By analyzing engagement rates, click-through rates, and the popularity of different types of content, Airbnb could tailor its social media posts to highlight aspects of the Live There campaign that resonated the most with its audience. The approach helped amplify the campaign's reach and impact. Now, let's talk about market segmentation. Data analysis also allowed Airbnb to segment its market effectively. Understanding the different customer segments, demographics, preferences, and behaviors enabled Airbnb to target specific groups with tailored messages about the Live There campaign. This segmentation ensured that the campaign storytelling was relevant and compelling to diverse audiences. And then the feedback loop for continuous improvement. Finally, Airbnb used data to create a feedback loop, constantly measuring the campaign's effectiveness through various metrics: bookings, engagement rates, website traffic. This data-driven approach allowed Airbnb to refine and adjust the campaign over time, ensuring that the storytelling remained impactful and resonated with its audience. In summary, Airbnb's Live There campaign's success was significantly enhanced by leveraging data to understand customer preferences, personalize personalize experiences, create content that resonates, engage audiences on social media, segment the market effectively, and continuously improve the campaign based on feedback. This holistic data-driven approach to storytelling helped Airbnb differentiate itself and connect more deeply with its users. So, what are the techniques for crafting data-driven stories, and how can your brand implement this strategy? First up, start with your data. Crunch the numbers, understand your audiences, then humanize that data, create characters, scenarios, and conflicts that your audience can relate to. And remember, the finest data-driven story is one that combines relevance with relatability. Next, weave the data seamlessly into your narrative. It's not about numbers, it's about what those numbers say about us, our choices, our world. Finally, ensure that your stories are consistent across all channels for a unified and cohesive brand message. Brands powered by the strength of their stories are the ones that thrive in today's market. By merging analytics with the art of storytelling, your business can transcend traditional marketing and create a connection that's not just transactional, it's transformational. So, are you ready to turn data into stories that sell? Start with these insights and write your brand's next chapter. And for more such marketing insights and discussions, hit that subscribe button and join us here at Vishal's Ad Astra. Until next time, keep crafting stories that can make your data dance. We'll see you soon. Thank you.